Did you know Venice once treated glassmakers the same way modern governments treat nuclear scientists? In the 1200s, Venetian glassblowers had cracked something nobody else in the world could replicate: crystal clear mirrors, impossibly thin glass, the kind of craftsmanship that made kings across Europe pay fortunes just to own a single piece. So Venice made a decision. Move every glassmaker to the island of Murano, give them noble titles, let them marry into aristocratic families, treat them like royalty. But they could never leave. The Republic of Venice wasn't being generous. It was building a cage with golden bars. The Council of Ten, Venice's most feared intelligence body, kept files on every master glassmaker. If one tried to flee to France or the Ottoman Empire, agents were sent after them, not to bring them home, to silence them permanently. Families of those who ran were taken as leverage. These men were the most celebrated craftsmen in the world and the most watched prisoners in Europe. Venice didn't just sell glass, it sold an illusion of freedom.